Hey y'all, I'm Vanessa and today we are going to talk about 5 winter essentials. Things that I think are absolute necessities in winter. So let's go ahead and get started. So first and foremost, I want to talk about the thing that made me want to make this video. This is the Soap & Glory Call of Fruity Hand Food Hydrating Hand Cream. It looks like this. It's actually pretty big. It's 4.2 fluid ounces. Not only does this smell amazing, it's just, it's so fruity and good. Like, I can't even describe the scent. It's beautiful scent. But this works wonders on my dry hands. My hands will get so dry, they will start to crack and bleed, and they are terribly, terribly painful. I have tried literally that many hand creams. Like, I was trying to think of them all. Like, seriously, I have tried so many hand creams, super expensive, to drugstore, and none of them work the way I want them to until I found this. This instantly nourishes your hands. It is not super greasy, but it's heavy enough to where it's going to hydrate the crap out of your hands. Like, just using this one day, my hands are completely different. Like, it is that good, you guys. It is that good. This is by far my favorite hand cream of all time. Okay, let's get into skincare. One of the things that I think you absolutely need for winter is a hyaluronic acid serum. So my personal favorite is by Michelle, and it is called the Ultra Hyaluronic Hydrating Serum. This is for dry skin. I have normal skin, but in the winter and in the summer for that matter, where I'm out in the sun so much, but especially in the winter where it's so dry, my skin can go south very, very quickly. I've used this for 4 years, guys. 4 years. I know how good this is. It will seriously change your skin. If you have dry skin, get this, and I am telling you, it will change your skin. I've had dry patches all over my skin. Like 4 or 5 years ago, I had super dry skin. I wasn't taking care of it like I should have. It was super dry. This completely changed my skin. It is absolutely amazing. Ulta used to sell this brand. I'm not sure if they still do. Kohl's does. You can get it online. It's not terribly overpriced at all. Like, I think it's very reasonable. I definitely think you should pick this up and just try it, because I'm telling you, it is amazing. And this is a newer product to my skincare, but I have seriously seen such a change in my skin. I was breaking out all the time, and I think stress had a lot to do with that as well, but I just wanted to bring in more moisture. So I got the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. This was only $25, and it's 2.3 fluid ounces. Super good deal. So this, it's in a big blue tub. Looks like that, and it has the little scooper in there for it. But it just looks just like a gel. Like, it has a little bit of a scent, but it's not overpowering at all. I'm not a fan of super fragranced products. I don't actually always use it at night. I'll actually use this during the day as well. And I can put on a light layer and my skin just feels beautiful. But my skin just feels hydrated and glowy and just firmer. It's just super, I don't know, it's so fresh and so beautiful. Makeup goes over it beautifully. So I absolutely love this. If you're looking to add more just hydration and moisture, definitely go for this. So let's get into lips, because skin, lips, hands are the biggest thing for me in winter. And I was reading about like lip exfoliators and things like that. Oh, sorry. So I was looking at lip masks and exfoliators and scrubs, and you're actually not supposed to scrub your lips because it creates little cuts, we'll say, on your lips, and you're not supposed to pull that skin off. So I got this a couple years ago, and I will keep this always. I'll always have this. It's something that I will not go without. This is the Kaplan MD Lip 20 Mask. They also sell a lip balm. I like it as well, but this is by far the winner for me. So this is just like a white cream. You can see half of mine is gone. And you just put a thick layer on your lips and let it absorb in. I'll let it sit for 5, 10, sometimes even 25 minutes, just whenever it absorbs pretty much. And you just kind of dot it off. Make sure you put on some lip balm afterward. And this exfoliates your lips. It's a little bit plumping. It tingles just the slightest bit. But what it does is my lips will get so terribly dry, like they were this morning. I had to pull this baby out. But they'll be all cracked and disgusting, and I'll have dry skin all over them, and it's just flaky. So before, a couple years ago, I would use scrubs to get that off. This takes it off, and it's not abrasive at all. This is just a little miracle worker, I'm telling you guys. All right, and my favorite lip mask, it just has to be the Bite Agave lip masks. These are so good, you guys. Like, so good. I've tried tons and tons of others, and nothing compares to this. I can put this on at night, and my lips look, I'm gonna say like 85 to 90% better when I wake up. They're that good. And I actually got a few of the ones that are like colored. Well, I got a few that are like, they've got color to them, and they have a scent. And I got a red one, I got this one, I got another one. This one is by far my favorite. It is maple. I love the way that it smells, and it just leaves a little bit of a bronzy kind of glow to your lips. I also have the Laneige lip sleeping mask, and I still would always choose these. These are just so much better in my opinion. So those are my 5 winter skincare products that you need in your life. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a lot of talking, but I hope you guys subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.